Winning in life does not always mean money. Winning in life means peace, growth, and self-respect. Today, Rahul and Ananya will talk slowly about winning in life. Through their long conversation, you will learn English, step by step, calmly.
Hello, Ananya.
Hello, Rahul.
Today, I want to talk about life.
Life is a big topic.
Yes, especially winning in life.
What does winning mean to you?
Winning means being peaceful inside.
That sounds beautiful.
Money is important, but peace is more important.
I agree. Seedling, do you think winning is always big?
No, small wins matter more.
Like what?
Waking up on time, trying again after failure, being kind, even when tired.
Those are quiet victories.
Yes, people do not clap for them.
But they build strong character.
Exactly. Cloud with rain.
Rahul, did you ever feel like a loser?
Yes, many times.
How did that feel?
Painful, confusing, heavy.
Same for me.
But losing taught me patience.
Losing taught me humility.
Winning without losing teaches nothing.
That is true. Fire.
Winning in life starts inside.
Inside the mind?
Yes, inside thoughts.
Negative thoughts stop us.
Positive thoughts guide us.
But positive thinking is not easy.
True, it needs practice.
Like learning English.
Yes, slowly, daily, railway track receding into the distance.
Sometimes I compare myself.
Comparison steals happiness.
I see others winning faster.
But life is not a race.
Everyone has a different speed.
Different struggles, different timing.
That thought feels relaxing.
Your path is valid, sun behind small cloud. Failure feels final, but it is not.
Failure feels like darkness.
But darkness helps us see light.
That is deep.
Failure prepares us for stronger success.
So failure is part of winning.
Yes, an important part. White heart.
What about emotional winning?
That is very important.
Like controlling anger?
Yes, forgiving others, forgiving ourselves.
That is hard.
But very powerful.
Winning emotions wins life. Glowing star.
Success is not only money.
Success is balance.
Health, relationships, peace.
Smiling without fear.
Sleeping without stress.
That is real winning. Crescent-shaped moon.
Life tests us.
Again and again.
But giving up loses everything.
Trying again wins something.
Even one step forward is a victory.
I believe that now. Today's talk changed my thinking.
Mine too.
Winning is not loud.
It is quiet and steady.
I will win. Slowly.
I will win, honestly.
And we will keep learning.
Yes, learning English and learning life.
Winning in life is not one moment, it is many small moments. Through slow conversation, kind words, and long understanding, you learned English, and you learned how to win in life, step by step, calmly, confidently.